Okay, so our last problem is this: a diagram of angle 1 and angle 2 and angle 3 is shown below. If the measure of angle 3 is 125, okay, so this is 125. So it says which equation can be used to determine x, the measure of angle 1. Okay, this is angle 1 right here. So we know that from here to here is supplementary, which is 180 degrees. So I can figure out angle 2 if I say x plus 125 is 180, which I subtract 125 from both sides, and I get 55, x equals 55. So I know that x is 55, so that angle right there is 55. Okay, and so my last angle, I know that these two are complementary. So that means they add up to 90. So I would say 90 minus 55 equals 35. That's how I solved that. So I need to find an equation that kind of matches that. And so I first did the 180 minus the 125. So I know that this one and this one are not going to work out that way because I need to do one more step. And then this one right here, it has plus, and I'm not going to add it to, I'm going to subtract it from the 90 to get my answer. So my answer choice is going to be D.